Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create these cute overalls on Dress to Impress. No VIP needed, you just need to enable shoulder straps and the third toggle. I'm just going to select this and I'm just going to make the texture denim for everything. Okay, it's fine. I think that's just lighter than the rest, but it's fine. Then I'm going to use the shorts here and I'm going to color denim as well and the same. For the inner part, you can use anything you'd like to. I'm just going to use this one because it's the only one that doesn't, I guess, protrude out. Well, it kind of does a little bit, but I'm just going to layer something on top. I'm just going to layer this on top. And then I'm going to enable the denim again. That is it. That's how you can create this super cute overall on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.